So I put some more time in on my dozer. Little Bruder conversion here. It's using Forgelli actuators. I need to get a couple new ones for here because I bought 50mm ones, and 30s will work better. But for now I have it all hooked up. It's nice, kind of nice in some ways that the model's plastic because it allows it to twist so that I can get a little bit of angle going on the blade. Basically it's all happening because the chassis of the dozer itself is actually flexing basically, but it seems to sort of do the trick. It's a bit hard on everything, I guess, but whatever. This part of the blade does work, but with having too much travel, it will go out all the way and bind, and it doesn't actually come back as far as I would like. These model actuators seem to have plenty of strength for the weight of the dozer, so it's a good thing. Speed's not too bad. Got a trackpad on the other side that's not quite got enough bend to it. It's hanging up. I don't know if I'm going to do anything with the ripper or not. Probably not. Alright, yeah, getting there. It's almost ready for some paint. Put a cutting edge on the blade yet, and then I'm going to hit the dirt, give it a try, probably break some stuff, swear, throw it in a heap, wish I never did it. Hopefully not. Hopefully all will work fine, and I'll be a happy camper.